And on March 5th, you'll be hosting an event in Stoke-on-Trent that's being called the Enlightened moment. Could you share with those listening and watching this event, the Enlightened moment? What is it? What will people experience on March 5th in Stoke-on-Trent?
So the Enlightened moment is an event with Richard Harvey, of course. It's going to be at my home in Stoke-on-Trent. We currently have 8 places available. Richard will be sharing the depth of his understanding and truth with the group. It's an opportunity for you to realize the depth of your own being, and this is a life-changing experience that can't be underestimated. It will bring deep peace to those who feel ready to be there, and it may change your experience of life forever.